shopping. Hey sitters, welcome back to another video. It's Lydia, thanks for joining me, and in today's video we are going shopping to revamp my babysitting bag now that it's summer. So come shop with me. Alrighty, so I just stepped into the store and it already looks like they're getting back to school, like they're getting ready for back to school stuff. It's a perfect opportunity for you to grab stuff to organize your babysitting business. So anything that, like for example, this coupon holder can be perfect for holding receipts. So if you track mileages or you are tracking what you're buying for your babysitting bag, anything that you tax or write off, you can totally keep in here and it'll stay organized. All right, this is a perfect area to restock a lot of my stuff. So glue, if you need glue, crayons, there's coloring books, there's pens and pencils and coloring pencils and glue sticks and chalk. There's chalk over there. But also this organizing stuff. So if you need to, if your crayons are all over the place, you can get a smaller bin or a larger bin, scissors so they don't poke anybody, and this can go right into your babysitting bag. Oh, this is piquing my interest. So this looks like a kind of like a good behavior chart, but on the go. So you have this slip of paper and you put these stickers on each of these stars here, and then once you fill out the stars here, they turn it in for like a treat. So what I typically do is, like, if I get so many good behaviors, mostly this is for nannies, so if I get good behavior like every day for a week, then we go out for ice cream. I don't give them physically anything, but we do something special. So I'm gonna grab this because this is like a on-the-go behavioral chart. So here we have a plethora of water guns in all shapes and all sizes. So you have a 3-pack here, you have a water gun like that, you have the pump action water guns. So now that it's summer and we're starting to do more water activities, I think I'm gonna grab a couple of these. I think I want to grab the 3-pack though. These are easy to fill up and easy for them to use. It's just a little, you use your finger like a trigger, and if they break, I don't mind. I can grab a couple of them, and they're small to fit in my bag as well. Oh, here are some kites. So my kids absolutely love the kites, whether it is windy or not. We usually fly them, and we do it in the big open field by the playground. So I'm gonna grab a couple more of these, a couple for the girls, a couple for the boys. Alrighty, so here are some golf sets. I tend to have the kids play with a golf set and teach me how to play golf because I'm not good at it. But my golf club actually broke, so I do need another set of that. Moving on to the water stuff. So these are splash squishy, like they go well in the water. And my kids love these, but they tend to get lost, or people tend to take them home by accident because the kids love them so much. So these are good at the splash pad, if we go to the pool, if we're just playing in the sprinklers. So there's different sizes, and I'm going to grab both of them just because, again, we use these a lot. They're diving octopus, but oh, you know what we could do with these? Instead of in the pool, we could play with these in the bathtub. I also have to think like bathtub activities. This can help get kids into the bathtub. It can help them get excited for bath time. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple of those. All right, so this looks like a lot of fun. They're whirlicopters and they glow in the dark. This is a great activity if you can't go outside. You just do it in the dark in the house, turn off all the lights, and you can play with these. There's 4 pieces, and it says it lasts for hours. Oh, there's 4 colors, yeah. Alrighty, then I'll only get one of those. What else? I found these bubbles as well. Now these have 4 ounces of bubbles in it, and there's 3 of them, so that's 12 ounces of bubbles. Now mind you, everything is $1. So should I go for the 12 ounces in 3 different bottles, or do I go for the 32 ounce in one big bottle? Now those are the kind of deals that I look for, and even if I don't want to drag around this big old bubble thing, I can use this one to refill the smaller ones. So I'm going to grab one of those. So this looks interesting. So this is a shape foam puzzle mat. Now what piques my interest about it is it is foam, which means this can go in the bathtub. Now something I don't like about foam is it could be chewed on by kids. But if I keep it in good shape, then I can reuse it, help the kids learn their shapes, or they can use it in the bathtub. I caught something on this side caught my eye for my craftier kids. Painting. So little wood shop things that we can put together with the kiddos. Oh, and you can put birdseed in them. Oh, this one you can put birdseed in it. So for my kids that like arts and crafts, grabbing a couple of these things to be able to do with them inside. In the summer in Florida, it definitely rains a lot, so sometimes I'm stuck inside all day, so this would be perfect. I really like these, but I don't know if they'll get squished or not in my babysitting bag, so I'm going to go with something a little more flat. Oh, there's canvases down here. So it's a very flat canvas that the kids can work on. So I'll probably get a couple of those. What else? There's stickers. Oh man. There's all sorts of stickers over here. Oh, these are cute. Look how cute those are. Little trucks. 68 pieces in here. Alright, I like those. So I ended up finding Play-Doh, and I grabbed this piece, which was the 20 pieces. So it doesn't come with Play-Doh, but there's different pieces that you can put together or use in Play-Doh. But what I did find was Play-Dohs that smell, like smell scenting Play-Dohs. So there's banana, there's blueberry, green apple, orange, strawberry. So I'm gonna grab all of those, and that way I have different colors as well as they're fun and they're scented. So I think the kids are really gonna like that. Okay, now if you can see my bag, I am full to the brim of things that I can use in my babysitting bag or that I need. So I'm gonna go check out, and I'll meet you guys back at home. And boom, we're back at home. Look what else I picked up at the store for $1. I'm just kidding. But Tina's gonna help me unpack everything. So, you guys didn't see this one on camera, but I found it on my way out to pay, and they're like little, you blow through one end of it, and the ball, I'll just show you. So you blow in this side of it, and the ball pops out this side, and you try and catch it in here again. It's really fun, actually. So I got 4 of those. Do you approve, Tina? All right, we got diving octopus. Now, I said in the store, and I will say it again, that these don't have to be for the pool. This could also be for the bathtub as well. I could say, hey guys, I got you something exciting for the bathtub, but it'll only come out for when it's bath time. And that'll help me get them into the bath and excited for bath time, and it won't be a fight. So I bought 2 of those. Hey, we're not opening that yet. All right, I guess we can open that one. So I got the spongy balls for the splash pad or the sprinklers or the pool, whatever water activity we're doing with the kiddos, for the water table as well. So I got 8 in one size, and I got 4 in the next size. So I've got those. I've got a whirlicopter. Those are come in 4 colors. And again, you can do this in the dark, in the house if you're not able to go outside. So 4 colors, pink, yellow, green, and blue. I got this for the bathtub as well. It'll help them with the shapes. It's a shape puzzle, plus it's foam, so it can get wet. The only downside is kids do like to chew on it, so I'm gonna be really careful with this one. But I bought that. I bought canvases. I bought 3 of them for different kiddos. Some of my kiddos are really into crafts, so I'll take those and do that with them. I have paints, so I didn't need to buy any more. I bought stickers. I bought a little tree house that you build and you can paint as well. I bought one that you can put birdseed in and hang out outside. So I bought these. Where's the other one? Here it is. So I showed you guys this one on camera in the store, the Out of This World behavioral chart on the go. Well, I found 2 others that I found really cute. Buzzing Job and Your Roarsome. So a dinosaur themed one and a bumblebee themed one as well. So, and there's 14 of these in here, so I will be good for a while. I haven't decided if I'm going to use this with my babysitting kids, but for nannying, I will be using these. So those, I've got kites. There's 5 different kites here. I've got a baby one, a baby shark one. I got dragons, a baby shark, not a baby shark, but a shark one, Elsa, and a Barbie one. So different age groups. Usually the kids aren't picky about what kite they're flying, but I got a variety anyways. What else did I get? I got this cool, I'll be holding pencils and pens in here, or if my markers, if the box falls apart, I'll put markers in here or crayons, and that'll go in my babysitting bag. I bought water guns. Actually, I think I bought 2 things of water guns. These are easy to fill and play with the kiddos, and easy to be in the babysitting bag. Then I bought this sky catcher so that we can play with it. So I'll show you that. So it looks like this. So you go like this. Whoop. Oh, sorry, Tino. So you go like this. Whoop. And you play with your friends. Sorry. Are you helping, bud? I got Play-Doh shapes and tools. Dough shapers. There's scissors in here. There's a rolling pin in here. So I bought that along with a candle for my room. That's not for the kids. But scented Play-Doh. So I have orange. I have strawberry. I kind of want to open one. This one's green apple, banana, and blueberry. Let's open the blueberry one. You want to smell it, Tino? Hold on a minute. Okay. Ah. Oh. Wow. You want to smell it? Smells good, huh? That's strong. Smells like blueberries. Well, that'll be fun to play with. So I've got 4 or 5 of those and some shapers. What else did I get? I got bubbles to fill my other shorter bubbles. I don't want to carry this one around. This is very big, so this will be refilling my smaller bubbles. So I got that. I got a golf set. Like I said earlier, mine broke, but the kids really like these, so I bought another one. That's empty. That's empty. I bought this for actually the little girl I nanny, but I guess it could be useful for anybody. It's the life cycle of a butterfly, or how they grow and stuff. So you spin it and it'll tell them the adult, the eggs, the stage, and it talks about the growth of a butterfly. And we, earlier this year, actually, her grandma bought her butterfly caterpillars, not butterfly, caterpillars, and we fed them and watched them grow and then release them. So she's really into butterflies right now, so we will be doing that. And then I just got a bunch of notebooks to help me in planning anything and everything in my life. I do a lot of planning, so notebooks. And then my candle, that smells really good. That'll be for my room. You gonna smell that one too? So I don't want you to think that all of this goes in my babysitting bag. My babysitting bag is only so big. So what I do is that I have a chest in my room that I keep all of my babysitting stuff in. My craft kits, my craft supply, all of my games, my babysitting stuff, it all goes in that chest. And when I go to babysit, I'll bring out my babysitting bag and I will put stuff in the babysitting bag geared towards that family. So whether it is the craft kits that I've made, and if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out that video. So whether it's the craft kits I made, or water guns for the kiddos, bubbles, Play-Doh, these blow toys, depends on what age the kids are and what I see doing with them. Like I said earlier, some of my kids are really into crafts. So I will take a craft kit, I'll take one of these, I'll take a canvas, I'll make sure I have crayons and paper on me. Some of my kids are really into sports, so I will take the golf club set and other sports stuff with me. So I will gear my babysitting bag towards the kids that I'm babysitting for. So not all of this goes in there, but some stuff will hang out in there. For example, the Play-Doh stuff might hang out in there. Bubbles for sure stay in there. I usually try and have a couple craft kits laying around so I can have those as well. So I don't put this all in my babysitting bag. So this is it for the Come Shop With Me babysitting bag revamp for summer. I'm so excited for the kiddos to be able to use this stuff and watch them use this stuff. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.